Pinofocus na yung balcony, pero hindi pa yan. After 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour daw po, after the smoke will be shown here on the chimney, nalalabas po yung Santo Papa. Hindi naman po agad-agad dahil hanapan pa nila ng damit ang ating bagong Santo Papa. May mga naka-ready na naman po, may mga naka-ready na. So anyway, imagine after 9 days after the burial of Pope Francis. Yes, the Pope of the people, sabi nga po. So, ito we are waiting for the results of the conclave. Conclave being behind doors, behind locked doors. Clave, or llave. So, behind the locked doors, no? Doors with a key. Ganyan po. So, nagsedibakante nga po tayo for ilang days ba? Since April 21. Yes. Eh ngayon po ay May 8. May 8. Second day of the conclave. So, kagabi at 9 in the evening, may smoke po na lumabas sa chimney from the chimney of the Vatican, but then it was black smoke, which means there was no Pope elected yet. So they will need to go back, and elect some more. They will have another votation, and of course, before they went inside the conclave room, which is the Sistine Chapel, they actually made their promises of secrecy, their vows of secrecy. So ayan, we're waiting, we keep on waiting, we continue to wait here and see what will happen after today's elections or today's votation. So kasi they've been voting, there are 2 voting in the morning, there will be 2 again in the afternoon and until the evening. So 3 times we're expecting the smoke to come out of the chimney. We'll see what happens next.